YouTube, what's up? It's your boy 360 Jeezy, and today is wash day. Alright, it's 2021. I haven't really properly told you guys how to wash your hair this year. My waves is looking a little dope though. Alright, it's trash. It's trash. I'm gonna be honest, it's trash. But to you guys' standard, to the people that, you know what I'm saying, barely getting started, you guys are gonna be loving what you see. You're gonna be like, Jeezy, what you talking about, man? Your waves ain't trash. What do you mean? What are you talking about, Jeezy? Your waves are good. You're not trash.
Jeezy, come on, bro. You being too humble. You being too modest.
Come on, man. Some of you guys that's a little bit more advanced are gonna be like,
Right. I agree. Your waves is trash. It's trash. It's trash. It ain't better than mine. Bro, how often are you even brushing, bro? Like, you not brushing more than me. You just not.
I can't believe I watched this dude. Like, who is this guy?
Come on, Jeezy. Step that up, man. Step that up. It ain't even, I mean, it's 2021 now, man. Your waves still looking like that, bro?
Alright. Okay. I only been waving for like 3 months and, you know what I mean, 3 weeks or something like that. Chill out. Chill out. Everybody chill. I'm gonna show you guys how I wash my waves. Stay tuned. Alright, you guys, we are back. Okay, let's just unrag. All right, cue the slow motion. You know when I unrag, I like to do the little slow motion. So let's just.
HustleDreamProduction.
Alright, you guys, first things first, let me show you guys some of the things that you're gonna need. Of course, you're gonna need some shampoo. Then you're gonna need a brush. I prefer like a medium hard brush. This is Brush King's wash brush. This is like a medium hard. The reason why you use a medium hard is because the bristles are gonna soften up when you put it in water. So I also like to start with that. Then I want to end my session off with the softy when washing. And last thing you need is do-rags, okay? Now, when it comes to the type of do-rags, you want to get a mesh do-rag, okay? Something that you can see through. It has large holes in it. All right, this one, but I'm not gonna use the mesh rag. What I'm gonna use is the old school stocking caps, all right? Go to Walmart, go to the women's section and pick out your granny's pantyhose and just cut it out, okay? And then, yeah, that's what I like to do. I like to go old school because, you know, this lays my hair better when doing the washing style. So yeah, if you're new cat, okay, if you're new school, get you a mesh rag. So enough with the talking, let's just get my hair damped and start this washing style. Let's go. All right, so now that my hair is nice and damp, I'm gonna put in my shampoo. And y'all know I don't play no games with, you know, applying shampoo. I just put it in, put a generous amount in. There is no limit to how much I put in my hair, man. I just want to use as much as possible. But if you ain't got it like that, man, don't put too much in. The soap is going to lather. It's about, you know, you only got that much hair on your hair, so you don't have to use as much as I do. So now that you got it in there, it's lathered up. One thing I want to tell you guys is don't expect to have great lather on the first wash, especially if you have all those unnatural products in your hair. It's not going to lather up like that. I've been switching over to natural products, so I'm pretty much gonna get a good lather out of this first wash, especially with how much shampoo I just put in my hair. But let's brush my hair with the medium brush and get a good session in. Let go.
HustleDreamProduction.
So when I do my wash, basically I'm paying attention to my angles still. I'm not, you know, just scramble washing. I'm still brushing like how I do a normal brush session and just paying attention to my angles. first wash, you don't have to go for that long. I'm not going for that long. I'm just, you know, I got good lather, so I'm about to wash it out in a minute and, you know, do my second wash. Let's do it. All right, so we got it washed out, and remember, when you wash the soap out of your hair, remember to wash the soap out of your brush as well. Don't be sitting here putting back the same dirt that you had. You know what I'm saying? Just make sure you're clean about it. But let's do another wash. All right, and when you do this one should lather up pretty nice, like real good. So now that you got it washed out like you want it, everything is kind of laying kind of cool. What you want to do is switch to your soft brush, all right? So we're done with the medium. Let's get a soft brushing in. Basically is to lay the lather down, lay the hair in place, then throw the do-rag on, and then wash it out. Let's do it. So with this one, you really don't want too much lather in the way, because you actually want to see what you're doing as far as like how your waves is laying. You want to position your crown in the proper place as much as possible. That way when you throw the do-rag on, everything is locked in place how you want it to be when you you know, take that do-rag off. So make sure everything is laying how you want it. That's what this soft session is about. Alright, so right now I'm laying my hair down. I'm about to put on the do-rag, or the wave cap I should say. But first I'm gonna brush down my edges, because I want my edges laid when I put this rag on. Alright, so when I use this cap, basically I'm making sure that it's all rolled up. Making sure it's all rolled up, and then I'm gonna just place it over my crown area first, and then bring it down. I want to make sure when I bring it down that my hairline is revealed. That way when I do wash it out, it's easier to wash out of my hair and my lineup won't be caked up with soap. I sort of make sure that you can kind of see my lineup right here. And when I just wash it out, you know what I mean, I'm basically just lifting up my sides right here just to make sure everything flows. The water flows and gets everything around here. So that's basically it, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna wash this out, and yeah, I'll show you guys the results of the washing style. Mind you, I'm gonna be putting some oil in my hair, some natural products, probably some babasu oil, and yeah, finish this session off. Let me see the time. Yeah, I'm going to wash it out, and then I will be, later on in the day, I will, yeah, because the time, see. Stay tuned. Alright, so so basically I went about my day, waited until my hair got dry. Usually takes about 2-3 hours, something to that extent, but I put an extra do-rag on too, just to, I don't know, just to help compress it. But one of the things I want to tell you guys about this this stocking cap, is that the reason why I use it is because like when it's wet and it dries, it kind of shrinks to your head. But if you one of those people with a big head, like my head may appear to be big, but it's not, okay, at all. It's not. It may appear to be big, but it's not. Okay, so all my people that can't go to the store and cut up some granny panties and put the stocking caps on, I feel sorry for you, because this right here is the best thing to use for the washing style to me, okay? Because it shrinks and it molds to your head when it's dry. All you gotta do is go take a stocking cap, stretch it out, put it under water, wait till it dries, and then see how it shrinks, and you'll understand what I'm talking about. So for all my little head people, my little head weight, okay? Salute to y'all. But y'all big head, size 8 size, the barber gotta take a long time to cut your head wavers. This wave cap is not for you, okay? This stocking cap is just not for you. It may be for you and for you and for you and for you, but you size 8 mother lovers, it's not for you, okay? So let me take it off, show you guys. My hair is looking real dry. Lineup is messed up. Hair is dry, but everything is intact though. For the most part, everything is intact, looks nice. But let's put some oil or something and do a cool little brush session and end this video off, all right? Let's go. Alright, so I'm gonna put some virgin babasu oil in my hair. This product right here. I got this product from Enjoy Soap. I don't know if I'm gonna link the description, but Enjoy Soap is where I got it from. Alright, so we're gonna put a hefty amount, okay? Because I'm woofing right now, and I'm going on an 11-week woof journey for anybody that's wondering. Not cutting my hair as far as cutting the top down. I'm gonna just be doing a small taper, small high taper, a lineup, and that's it. Probably a freehand trim, but that's the most that I'll do now. But I'm going on a woof journey. Anybody want to roll with me? Feel free to roll along. But right now, you already know, man. Once we got this product in, brush session in effect, then we gonna rag up, end this video off. So if you ain't got your brush right now, you tripping. I don't know why you didn't have your brush, or I didn't know why you washed. I don't know why you would just watch this video and not wash with your boy. Okay, so get your brush. I'll give you some time. All right, that's enough time. Let go. YouTube, I'm gonna go ahead and rag up with my silky. Where is it? Let me just bust open a new one real quick. Just because I washed my hair, I want a new do-rag. You feel what I'm saying? Don't want to sit here and rag up with the same dirty do-rag, so I'm gonna rag up with this silky. You can find this do-rag at suwavyrags.com. Link will be in the description. And also, it's gonna be a lot of people in the comment section saying, Jeezy, where'd you get this brush from? Where'd you get this brush from? This is my brush I'm coming out with soon. Stay tuned. Yeah, it's going down. It's your boy 360 Jeezy. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please smash that subscribe button, alright? It's your boy 360 Jeezy, and I'm out of here. Peace.